Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this footage, I will show you my trip from New York to Pennsylvania. We went to Bald Eagle State Forest, camped out at Bald Eagle State Park, and then went out the next day basically to explore the trails. Some very nice trails. Any stock 4x4 vehicle can do it. Because I'm traveling with kids, so I had to make sure that their toys were part of my camping packing. There are some dispersed camping sites here. I chose not to go there for two reasons. Number one, they were all taken. Number two, for the kids, you want campsites where they can meet other kids, or there are some activities that they can do so they are recharged for the next day, and that was my main reason. So I stayed at state campsites, which were very nice by the creek, some very secluded and nice serene campsites. I highly recommend it. This is a Po Valley State Park. Very nice campground. Has a beachfront canoe launch pad. Very famous among visitors here, but it was packed, so we couldn't stay here. Highly recommend it. Hey guys, I thought I'd give you a little rundown of what I've done during this weekend. So first of all, I'm using the Purple Lizard map for the Bald Eagle State Forest. So as you can see, it's very nice map. It tells you all the routes you can take, what's gravel, what is technical, what is basically regular for regular traffic. So we started coming from 80 all the way down, and the first night, since we were getting late, I went into the Bald Eagle State Park. They have sites that are basic campground, but also rustic. But because all the basics were taken, so I had to drive over the bridge, come back here and spend the night. It was good site, a lot of mosquitoes and stuff, but very nice area. So the second day, then we got out, made our way to this 64, and came down and took all these roads. The gray and the orange one are basically all your off-road trails. And this is for the most part all gravel. So regular 4x4 can certainly do it. Came down, roamed around a little bit here and then over here. So then we crossed and made all our way down here. We couldn't find a spot here. So then, all these trails, we did all these trails, 4x4, nice trails. There's some technical also. Came over here to Po Valley State Park. Wanted to stay the night here. It's a nice beach area and everything, a little touristy, but because they didn't have any vacancy, so Po Valley, where we couldn't find the spot, Po Patty, and also Reed's Gap State Park are all managed by the same office. So this gentleman was very nice. He gave us a spot over here, and he gave us the route for the off-roading. We had about 2-3 hours. Came here, booked for the first night. There's a creek on the side, only about 14 sites. There's no electricity or water. There is one main water that you can go and get it, but clean showers and bathrooms. Loved it so much that I had to book it for the second night also. So then yesterday, since the camp was set up here, we did all these trails, very nice trails. This is a little technical, so I did all this area and then went back on this side and did all these areas. So spent the whole day there, did my lunch there, and then came back to the site. This is a very nice area for overlanding. It's not technical. Your regular 4x4 can come. Just bring a lot of food, a lot of water with you. You will have tons of fun here with family. There's nice campgrounds. There's also in this forest area, they have campgrounds that are for free, but because they were booked, so from these off-road trails, then you can just if you have booked it, you can just go camp there. So it's well maintained and well, not developed, but still rustic, but very nice gravel road, fun trails and a little bit technical. So like I said, a regular 4x4 should have no issue and you'll have a ton of fun. Just to give you an idea of how vast this forest is we haven't even touched these areas. Certainly need to come back. I was here for 4 days. That was not enough. But as you can see here, there are state parks all over. So you got the RB Winter State Park, you got the Ravensburg State Park, and some of these parks are open year long. So if you like snow camping and if you like cold camping with the infrastructure in place and enjoy some wheeling, and this is the area you want to be. I highly recommend it. It's in Pennsylvania. So for those of us on the East Coast, because we don't have a lot of options, this is certainly one of the best area where you can do overlanding, do some trails, and enjoy.